It's a shovel. Thanks for watching. Sorry. I'm sure though that whoever designed this had a shovel on their mind. But is this a shovel? It can be used as a shovel, and it's pretty well suited for that purpose too. But is it a shovel? Could say that it's just a mush of protons, neutrons and electrons, and you'd be right. It is a thing. It has a shape and it's made of material. In this case it's a shovel-like shape, and it's made of metal and some kind of plastic. There's actually a third thing here. It's this cord. You can cut it, you can bend it, you can melt it, you can cut a piece off and use for something else, you can modify it completely, you can implement it into something else, you can add to it, you can paint it, you can probably crush it, whatever. If you start thinking like this, not just about things or stuff like a shovel, but anything, I think you'll get infinitely better at everything. Everything. Thanks for watching.